What's up, Shiba Inu holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. So once again, I'm present with another latest update of the Shiba. In this video, I'm talking about the huge news, the huge gains occurs by Shiba. So keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, so please, I request everyone, please complete my 10,000 subscriber. And when you complete my 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to announce a giveaway. So please complete 10,000 subscriber and click the subscribe button now. Thank you so much. I hope you all subscribed my channel, my friends. Now let's see the latest update of the Shiba in the market. So the latest price of the Shiba is 0.0009 USD dollar, and the price change in this time is going positive. Last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is negative, and last 1 week pricing is again positive. Only the yesterday pricing is negative, but I hope with the passage of time the prices will again start moving upward. In the start of June, the Shiba Inu start moving upward. But I don't like this jump, my friends. This is not a jump. This is jump, my friends. I call this is jump. This is not a jump, my friends. Don't like it. But now you have to hold. The pump of the Shiba are coming soon on 10th June. Maybe on 10th June. Maybe on after 10th June. Maybe before 10th June. But they are close to the 10th June, my friends. The pump of the Shiba Inu. So wait for it and hold it. Absolutely, if you decide to sell this time, so you are in the profit. But if you want a good amount of profit, if you want a high amount of profit, so you have to hold for a long time, my friends. If we took the last 1 month pricing so in the Shiba, so the last 1 month pricing is 487.75%. The pricing is positive, and I'm feeling very satisfied to see this kind of positive change occur in the Shiba, my friends. And the highest price is 0.000003 at USD dollar, and the current price you can see here 0.00009 USD dollar. So how do you feel today about the Shiba? I'm feeling very good because last 1 hour pricing is positive. Maybe and this time they take a quick jump and the price will again start moving upward. Maybe. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Shiba? Tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends.